Hey guys, welcome to London Spirits Competition Winners Pitches. I chat with some of the winning brands here, and here's what they have to say.
So, hello everyone. My name is Andrei, and I speak on the behalf of the entire Palincăria Transilvania team. Here we are at our distillery. This is the main entrance, like right in the middle of Transylvania. And I'll show you how we do things here. So this is the place where we produce the Palinka. As you can see, we make the fire by wood, and the process is rather simple. We basically have fermented fruits. We place them inside this, and we let them to boil. Now, the difference between alcohol and water is that alcohol starts boiling around 70 degrees. So the steam will go through these pipes right here, and this tube right here is always cold, so it'll turn from a gas to a liquid form, and voila, you have we distilled everything we got like 2 or 3 times in order to have a more matured and a more pure and clean product. After we do that, we take the drinks and we go and place them in some oak barrels and leave them there for like 6 months or even 1 year or even more. It depends on the fruit. It depends on what we want to do with that drink. And these are our oak barrels. Here we have in total of 15 different assortments of Palinka that are entirely made out of fruits. And after we take them out of the oak barrels, we just place them inside those 2 tanks and leave them here until we are ready to put them in the bottles. And after all of this, move them in our store, which I'll show you right now. So this is the store, and here sell everything, and here is what everything happens. Now, out of the 15 assortments that I was telling you about, we have the sour cherry Palinka and also the Queen's Palinka, which won a couple of medals at different national and international competitions, including, of course, London Spirits. The Queen's Palinka, which we are very proud of, has a distinguished floral taste and has a very persistent aftertaste that everyone mentions and talks about after a single bite. This is the Queen's Palinka. I'll show it to you. This is how we put them in a bottle. This is a bottle of 700 milliliters and has an alcoholemia of 45 degrees. Mm-hmm. And the Palinka that's made out of the sour cherry has a more balanced taste. This is a Palinka that it's a very mature drink, and you can always taste the taste of the well-ripe fruit after you have a bite of them. Now, all of our products are made only out of fruit, since we try to best maintain the traditional way of distilling. And as you might know, Palinka is a very old drink in Transylvania, which sadly hasn't been promoted as it should be. And we try to do our best in order to introduce it to the world, to say so.
Got it.
Yeah. So, as a last thing that I can say, we invite everyone to come to Transylvania and discover Palinka. And for those who already know the taste, we come them here to have an authentic experience on how we make things.
What current markets are you available in, and what different countries are you looking to expand and focus on next?
So we are already delivering Palinka in Italy and in Belgium, but do that with some distribution help. And we are looking for partners all around Europe, including England, but we are in a permanent search of partners to help us with the distribution. We can't do it alone.
Nice. How are you supporting distributors? Like what 3 or 4 things that you guys do very unique that helps them sell more helps them penetrate the market?
Yeah, well, we first of all have some traditional Romanian bottles that were only available in Romania, and like this can be like a very authentic gift for everyone. Like if you want to buy something, this is called soy. Like back in the days, our elders would have this bottle right here, and they will put like the entire hand with the bottle in the Palinka and just have a bite until before lunch. Now, if someone wants to buy something very authentic from Romania, I don't know what can be more authentic than a soy.
What's the story that bartenders usually tell, when they're talking to the consumers at their bar? Like, how can they introduce your brand?
Well, like the most common story out of all would be the Dracula one. Actually, the Palinka that's made in Transylvania, it's said that it's like over 500 years older, and back in the days when you wanted to do something before going to work or do anything, they will always start the day with Palinka and close it also like that. So they can share this story saying that if you want to have
so it's a great thing for the bars, huh? You can come in, give shots, and then end it with the day.
Exactly. And if you want to try the realistically to reproduce how Romanians were living like 500 years ago, you can start with a little sip of Palinka, yeah.